Hi all, I'm Quick from QuickITDotNet and today we are going to understand how to use for loop in Express.js with jade. To understand this, what we will do, we'll first try to add some repeated code here, like we can add ul, okay, inside li equal to 1, li equal to 2, and it should inside of block content. And let's see that if I will repeat this, it is coming 1 and 2. Okay, I can make repeated here, control shift till 5, control V, control V, control V, and 3, 4, 5, control S. And if I will see that it is coming like this, but I don't want to write everything by one. We have to use this. We have to use this with the for loop. So what we'll do, instead of writing one by one, I can add the for loop. Okay, and with for loop I can go where I equal to 1, I is less than equal to 5, I equal to I plus 1. Okay, and I can go like this, control C. Inside of that I can put li equal to I. That's it. I believe it should work out, and let's try this again. So it is working. If I will increase this to 5 to 6, it should come till 6. So yeah, it is coming. Thank you. We teach multiple technologies. If you want to learn anything, you can contact us. Thank you.